All right, let's talk about soccer balls, or as the entire rest of the planet calls them, footballs. Soccer balls are spherical shapes, but they come in different sizes, which I did not know was a thing until my young children started playing soccer, and I realized that there are all kinds of different sizes for soccer balls. And so we're going to look at one that has specifically a diameter of 22 centimeters. And I want to know what the volume is of that soccer ball. Now, if this was a cylinder or especially a cone, I would be tempted to draw a picture, but I don't need to draw a picture for two reasons. Number one, I'm not great at drawing spheres, but number two, I only need one measurement for drawing a sphere because I only need one. I only need one measurement for drawing a sphere. I only need one measurement for finding the volume of a sphere because the equation just requires us to have the radius. So the problem gives me diameter. Radius is just half of diameter. So if the diameter's 22, the radius is going to be 11. That's all I need. I just need that one measurement. So I don't need to do any fancy diagrams. Thank goodness, because you would not appreciate my sphere. Um, and then the problem says use 3.14 for pi. And then because my answer is probably going to be horrible, it says round to the nearest tenth. So all that's left for me to do is just plug in my values. So volume equals 4/3. I'm going to use 3.14 for pi. Half of the diameter was 11, so 11 cubed. Okay, so all I have to do now is just plug these values into my calculator. So I'm going to do 4/3. Oops, forgot my parentheses. Gotta have parentheses. You're going to have a bad time trying to put fractions in like that. So 4/3 pi, and then I'm going to do times 11 squared, or 11 cubed, sorry. 11 cubed. 4/3 times pi times 11 cubed. And my answer is about 5,572.45, and then a whole bunch of threes. But I really just care about those first two places after the decimal because the problem said round to the nearest tenth, which means I just need to know whether that 4 rounds up or rounds down. 4, 5, I'm going to round up. So my answer is 5,572.5. The unit that the problem gave me was centimeters. And because I'm measuring in volume, the unit is going to be cubic centimeters. So that is the volume, cubic centimeters, of a soccer ball. This is also, if you plan to go into the medical field at some point, or even if you just watch medical shows on TV, whenever you hear them say that they need a certain number of cc's of something, this is what they're talking about. Cubic centimeters are cc's. It's how they measure the volume of a certain medication is in cc's. Although if you're getting 5,500 cc's of something, that is probably a mistake. I do not think they're injecting someone with a soccer ball's worth of medication.